Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette just got here and I could not wait to play with it with you guys and try it out and all that good stuff. So that's what I did today. I made this look using this palette. And I also have on there the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Melted Lips. And guys, before we get started, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out so much, and you will also be entered into my huge monthly makeup giveaway plus all my pop-up giveaways. So guys, if you'd like to see how I made this fall makeup look today, then just keep watching. Here it is, guys. When you unbox it, it does come in that metal tin case, and it's just such a gorgeous pumpkin shade. Colors are just so festive, and that's what really drew me to this. So I'm just going to reach right into this shade here. This is called Ginger Spice, and I'm just going to stamp that all over my lid space. And this brush here is one of the brushes that Trish, a lot of you guys know Trish, she had sent me this brush. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, wow. I hope you guys can see, but this color is very unique. I have a lot of orange toned shades, but this shade is like something I've never seen. It actually has some red to it, and it's just so, and I hope you guys can see how intense that is. Wow, so unique, so beautiful. I'm so happy because I really thought, you know, like I said, I do have a lot of orange toned shadows, but this is really like nothing I have. It's so different. Wow, it's so beautiful. And I did prime my eyes already with my P. Louise eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to stamp this all over my lid space. And I do have hooded eyes, so I go right over the hooding. I really wasn't intending to do this kind of look, but wow, like a smoky look, but this is, color is too gorgeous to stop. I'm a lot of times I just fall in love with a color. Wow, this is one of these colors that I'm just in love with, that you could just put all over and it would just look amazing. So I'm going to take that same shade on a shader type brush and just smudge that under my lower lashes. And I'm just going to use that same brush to extend it out a bit, like so. So then I'm just going to take this shade here, Pumpkin Spice. I'm just going to tap it on because I really want to keep the intensity of Ginger Spice because it's so gorgeous. So I'm just kind of tapping it right on the edge. So I'm just tapping it just on the edge. And actually it's blending like a dream, so you don't even have to do any blending motions. I hope you guys can see that, but it just blended right into Ginger Spice, so there's no even line for me to blend. It just blended itself. Wow. And then I like to really blow out the edges. So. And then I'm going to take the same shade and just smudge it under my lower lashes. And then I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush, just blend the edge of Pumpkin Spice, just blend that into, it's just blending right into our primer or eyeshadow primer or your concealer, and I just love doing that. It makes just a nice little fade kind of ombre look. To me, that would be it right there. But you know, we want to play with the metallics and these glitters. They look absolutely gorgeous, so I'm gonna go ahead and reach into them and just kind of cut my crease a bit. But definitely I think this would look so gorgeous on its own right here. You could just finish up your face, a lips, if you want lashes or just mascara, and you'll be just looking absolutely gorgeous, flawless in minutes. So that's just my favorite shadows when you don't have to do any work. Not a lot of shadows are like that, so this is amazing. Actually, I'll just take a little bit of whipped cream. That's the whiter shade. It has a hint of pink in it, but I'll just take a little bit of this shade right here on a shader brush and just put I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the brow bone because it's just so gorgeous. Wow. Right now, if you just smudged a liner like this one from Urban Decay, my favorite is their 24/7 liners. They're just so creamy and so gorgeous. Just smudge some of this into your lower waterline. This one is called Lucky. So it's just brown and has little flecks of gold in it. It's so gorgeous. So like I said, I think that is so gorgeous. But let's just for fun reach into one of these shimmer shades. So I'm just going to put it right on top of, I'm not even going to actually cut the crease. I'm going to reach into this shade here, Pumpkin Spice Latte and Chill actually. So that is this purple shimmer shade. I'm just going to take a shader brush And I'm just going to pack that right on the front portion. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow, this is not even wet, guys, or anything. That's so... Oh my god, this is a lot. This palette is a lot of fun. You're going to have a lot of fun with this palette because you can do a lot. You can do a lot of different stuff. And like I said, that is not even wet. Let me see what happens when I wet it. I'm just going to wet it. You probably don't even need to wet it, but yeah, it does make it a little bit more shimmery, but it's so shimmery on its own, you don't even need to wet it. So since we worked with the purples, I'm just going to reach into this purple shade now. Just pack some of that right on the outer portion of our eye just to blend out the shimmer shade. Wow, it's so gorgeous. So now I'm just going over that purple shade with the first shade we used, Ginger Spice. I'm just going to tap it right on top just to blend it, to get it blended. So guys, wow, these are just amazing, so much fun. So I am just, oh, and I realized there's like literally no fallout. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of my 24/7 liner. Actually, since we used the purple shade, I'm just going to reach into my purple one. So this is Psychedelic Sister. And I'm just going to blend that into my lower waterline. And then I'll put some on my upper lash line as well. Let me go ahead now and put on my lashes. I have these Anywhooz Lashes. These are by Pay Me Pretty Cynthia. So this is her new lash line. And I know she's having huge giveaways on her Instagram. And she's doing so much fun stuff. She's having a PR search. So definitely, guys, if you love lashes, check out her lashes. I'm just going to pop these on right now. So I'm just going to let these dry. And I'm just going to do my face, just touch up my face a bit. And then I have a Too Faced lip. It's a, actually I think it's called Pumpkin Spice Latte Lip. Pumpkin Spice limited edition melted matte liquid lipstick. So I'm going to try this on next, but like I said, I'm going to let these dry, and I'm just going to put some bronzer on, and I will be right back. So guys, I'm back. I just had finished, I let my lashes dry. I gave myself a spray of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. I'm going to give myself another spray because I'm addicted. And actually, I'm going to put on some blush and some highlighter, and then I have that lip. But while I'm waiting for the beauty mist to soak in, I'm just going to go ahead and get ready and play with that lip that I got. So I'm just going to take here my lip liner. I have this NYX lip liner in the shade Brown, which I absolutely love. So I'll go ahead and put this on. And then here is the Too Faced. This is the Melted Matte in Pumpkin Spice. So I can't wait to try it, you guys. They said it smells like pumpkin spice. So let's go ahead. Here it is. That's really pretty, you guys. It definitely has a pumpkin spice kind of flavoring to it, but it's not too strong. So I'm just going to go ahead and reline my lips, and I'm probably going to pop some gloss on because I am addicted to lip gloss at this point in time. But that's a very pretty lip. It feels creamy, but it's going to dry down matte. So I guess in a few minutes we'll see it dry down. Let me go ahead and reline my lips though. That's such a pretty color, you guys, for the fall. It's actually, maybe, you know what? Now I'm getting into the fall vibes. I'm like, girl, this is good. Like, I don't even want my lip gloss. I've been hooked on lip gloss, but you know what? Maybe we'll put it away for the fall because this feels so good. I just don't even want to touch it. It actually feels good. I'm sure I've tried melted matte before, but that one, it just feels really good, but it's matte. So I'm just going to pop on a little bit of blush though. So this is just some Nars Deep Throat. And then a little bit of highlighter, and I think that'll be good, guys. What do you guys? I don't think we could do much more else. What do you think? So I'm just going to take some Tarte highlighter here that I've had for the longest. I absolutely love it. So this is the finished look. Wow, wow, wow. This palette is everything and then some. Oh my god, I am so glad that I got this. This is so much fun. I can't believe how all of the colors blended into each other just effortlessly and made the most gorgeous of unique effects that I was totally not expecting. So it's just so much fun because you're just left with, you know, so you're just surprised at what happens when you put the colors together. It's just not what you're going to expect, but yeah, it's so gorgeous. And actually I do feel very full now, and so that's good. It makes you feel creative. So if you love makeup therapy and if you love to play with your makeup to have fun and just, you know, uplift yourself, this is definitely a fun palette. You just will not be disappointed. And I can't wait to reach into the green shades. I wish that I could have used them today, but I just wound up going with this look. But the greens, wait till you see them, you're gonna flip out. So to my mind though, I don't smell any pumpkin or any spiciness to the palette. If there is, do you guys? I know sometimes that happens. Like I know a few times you guys smelled a scent on yours and I didn't smell it on mine. But it's either way, it's fine. I don't mind whatsoever because the colors are so much fun. The blendability, the pigments, the shades themselves are so different. So you're just gonna have a ton of fun. So I highly recommend this palette if you guys want to check it out. So I hope you guys are all doing good. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and you'll be entered into my huge monthly makeup giveaway, so I'll have it linked below. And you'll also be entered into all my pop-up giveaways. Right now guys, we have a pop-up giveaway going on for... So dolls, I'm super excited to let you know about a $500 mystery box that I am giving away right now on my Instagram. So in this $500 mystery box will be $500 worth of high-end bougie makeup and beauty goodies. So head on over to take part. I'll have it linked below. Hope that you guys see this video in time, but I'll have it, it's going on my Instagram, so I'll have my Instagram link below where you can check it out and take part. And guys, also don't forget to pick up your Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. I'll have it linked below. It's vegan, cruelty free for glowing skin, so you can even, you know, the thing I personally love is that you wear makeup and you'll have your makeup on, but it makes it look natural. It makes it flow into your skin and just like look much more effortless and last forever. And it smells amazing. Like I said, it is cruelty free, vegan, organic, so it is absolutely amazing. And I'm so grateful for you guys who are all purchasing it and loving it. Thank you so much for all of your reviews and all of your support. It helps me out so much. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And let me know any other looks that you guys would like to see, or let me know if you picked this palette up. What are your thoughts? I can't wait to hear, so let me know down below in the comments. But I will talk to you guys soon. So love you so much. Bye guys.